Welcome to the aerial tour of St Mary Magdalene Church in Ashford Carbonell, Shropshire. Captured with the latest drone technology, this video reveals the beauty and history of one of the country's treasured landmarks. Set in the idyllic surroundings of the Shropshire countryside, this church stands as a testament to centuries of devotion and architectural evolution and community spirit. St Mary Magdalene Church has stood proudly in Ashford Carbonell for over 800 years, with its origins dating back to the 12th century. The church is dedicated to Mary Magdalene, a central figure in Christian tradition, often revered for her unwavering faith. The earliest records of the church mention it as a small Norman structure with its thick walls and simple, yet rounded arched windows. Over the centuries, the church has undergone various restorations and additions, reflecting the changing styles and needs of the parish. By the 14th century, Gothic elements began to appear, with pointed arches and larger windows designed to let more light into the sacred space. The church tower, a later addition, served not only as a symbol of spiritual aspiration, but also as a vantage point during turbulent times in England's history. As our drone circles the church, notice the striking features of its exterior. The stone walls, weathered by the centuries of wind and rain, tell the story of a building that has withstood time. The chancel and the nave are prime examples of medieval craftsmanship. Constructed with locally sourced stone, this gives the church its distinctive Shropshire charm. The church tower rises majestically above the surrounding village, its sturdy structure housing a set of historic bells. These bells have rung out over Ashford Carbonell for centuries, marking both celebrations and solemn occasions. The tower's design, with its battlement top, hints at a time when churches often doubled as places of refuge during conflicts. The churchyard, dotted with gravestones, is a peaceful resting place for generations of villagers. Some of the headstones date back to the 17th century, offering a glimpse into the lives and legacies of those who called Ashford Carbonell home. Look closely and you'll find intricate carvings and epitaphs that reveal stories of love, loss, and remembrance. This church has been a cornerstone of the community for centuries. During the Reformation in 16th century, many smaller churches like St Mary's Magdalene were transformed to align with new religious practices, yet the essence of this sacred space endured. In the Victorian era, a wave of restorations swept across England, and St Mary Magdalene received careful attention to preserve its medieval heritage while accommodating modern needs. Throughout its history, the church has been a place of sanctuary and celebration. From medieval pilgrims to Victorian worshippers and modern visitors, it has welcomed countless individuals seeking connection, reflection, and solace. Its role within the village remains as important today as it was centuries ago. As we conclude this aerial journey, we hope you enjoyed uncovering the rich history and timeless beauty of St Mary Magdalene's Church in Ashford Carbonell. This remarkable building is more than just a place of worship. It's a living archive of the village's past and a symbol of its enduring spirit.